welcome back to the channel, everybody. Listen, man, I am here at Walmart. Y'all didn't know I had an 04 Chrysler Pacifica, right? Yes, I do. I don't talk about it much because I actually been hiding it out here at Walmart for the past, I don't know, maybe 6 months. I have nowhere to put it, y'all. So what I do is keep it up here because I can't leave it at the job sitting on the lot, and I have no room at home to store it. So it's just been sitting up here at Walmart for the past, it had to be over 6 months, I know. I can't believe it ain't towed away by now. And of course I had to jump it off. Now I'm finna end up selling this thing because I have no use for it at all. This is the 04 model. Yeah, Chrysler Pacifica. Got it jumped off. It's trying to charge. I guess I hope it'll charge back up. You can see, been here so long, people been putting their little, you know, advertisement all over. I cannot believe they haven't towed it away. Now, like I say, I'm gonna end up selling this thing, but only one problem. Got a few issues, man. I'm gonna have to take care of. Look at this, man. You can see the dash panel. I guess the sun just done heated that up so bad it has come apart. So if anybody want to buy this car as is, no warranty, no nothing, no absolutely nothing. I'm gonna get all my personal stuff out. And even, look at that, old PCMs and stuff. Even if I can't sell it, I'll just sell it to pull apart. They will buy anything. You hear me? Anything. Now, that's an issue I got going on with this. When I turn the steering wheel, y'all hear that? That is some steering noise. So let me talk about steering noise. This is a good time to talk about this topic. You got to know the difference between suspension noise and steering noise, okay? This, ladies and gentlemen, will fall in the category of steering, okay? Steering, not suspension. Suspension, you're dealing with struts and tie rods and stuff like that. So as a technician or as a do-it-yourself or as a mechanic, whatever you want to call yourself, you have to know the difference. Now, if I'm gonna sell this car, I will have to take care of little minor stuff like this. Can y'all hear that? Man, it's pretty loud. So I have a can of spray white lube right here, and I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna get down here on my knees and show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. Okay. Now y'all see this this seal, right? This is we call this a steering shaft seal. Back in the day, we used to have a lot of problems with these, y'all. A lot of problems. Okay. Now you can see right there what I'm doing. This is dry, so you turn this, you can actually hear this noise. So I'm gonna basically end up, let me grab my spray white lube right here. Lube this up real good, lube it up real good. Get it all in the boot. Now you can just wipe off the excess. The goal is to get the lubrication on the rubber boot. What's going on is the rubber boot is just dry. So as you turn the steering wheel like this, you can hear whirling noise, grinding noise, or whatever have you. But like I say, I always recognize the difference between suspension noise and steering noise. All right, so the issue, right there, that should do it, ladies and gentlemen. I got enough grease on here to shut this thing up completely. All right, so let me turn this back. Y'all hear that? Absolutely nothing. So if you have noise in your steering system and it sounds something like this, take a look down here at your steering shaft seal. That is called a steering shaft seal. All right, you can get away with, sometimes you can get away with just lubricating it. In extreme cases, you will have to replace it. But this is an old 2004 model Chrysler Pacifica. I am not interested in replacing this seal, or do I care? I mean, all right, I'm back in it. As you can see, man, this thing had a TV. The TV work and everything. It's just old technology, man. Nobody, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, I'm gonna give it a shot, sell it first. Like I say, if I can't, I will be calling my favorite spot. Y'all know my favorite spot, Pull Apart. I will be calling Pull Apart to simply come get this mug. All right. So, but for now, wow, a little smoke. For now, I'm gonna get this thing out of this spot, man. I'm sure Walmart got a pretty good notation that it's been here for the last 6 months. So I will move this sucker to another spot. All right. So that's all I have, man. I just want to shoot this little fun, quick video, man. Y'all, thanks for watching, man. Keep in mind, difference between suspension noise and steering noise. That's not really steering noise, but it will fall in the category of steering noise, okay? So it depends on how you look at it, and it depends on your ear. This is one of your best tools right here. Your hearing and your eyesight is gonna be your best tool you have at your disposal, okay? So make sure you keep those two things healthy, because you will need those for years to come. All right, I gotta go, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.